So in today's video, I did a full face of colourpop products. Colourpop is probably my favorite makeup brand. They're just really affordable and they make really good products. Like, to me, they really compete with like high-end products. So this is the look that I came up with today. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Today for my full face of colourpop, I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going to use this colourpop No Filter Concealer. It's a really good concealer. It's in the shade Fair 4. I'm just going to put that on my eyelids to go ahead and prep my eyes for eyeshadow. So now that the concealer's all blended out, I'm going to take this brush from this Build Your Own palette by Colourpop. I'm gonna take this powder right here. It's just like a face powder, but I'm gonna use it to set my eyes so that that concealer that we just laid down doesn't move. So now that we have that all done, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the Sweet Talk palette today by Colourpop. This is a really good palette, it's one of my favorites. And I'm just going to take the shade Meadow right here and I'm just gonna take that through my crease, just blend that right through my crease. Now that that shade's all blended out, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go on my outer corner with the shade ICYMI. I don't really know what that means, but it's this shade right here. And I'm going to take that and kind of deepen out that outer corner. So now, since that looks really harsh, I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and just blend that out. So now that we have that shade down, I'm going to go in with this shade called Feel Free. It's down here and it's like the darkest color in the palette. And I'm just going to take that on my outer corner as well, just to deepen it up even more. I'm going to take this brush, it's like a flat packer brush, and I'm going to take some of this concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm not very good at this, so really all you can do, I can't really tell you guys how to do it, you just kind of have to watch, and it took me forever to learn how to cut my crease, so there's a million videos here on YouTube about how to do it. I'm just going to cut my crease real quick. So now that I cut my crease, I'm going to take this palette by Colourpop. I just got it and I haven't even used it yet. It's one of their Build Your Own palettes. If y'all can hear them cutting grass outside, I'm so sorry. Just a palette full of glitter. They're so pretty. I'm gonna take the shade Overpacked It's like this very pretty, it has a million different colors in it, so I can't even explain what colors are in it. I'm going to take that packer brush again, and I'm just going to dip into that shade and put that all over where we cut our crease. I'm actually gonna try and take my finger and see what that does. Oh my gosh. And if you get glitter fallout, it's okay. That's why we did our eyes first. Okay, so now that all that glitter is on, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to go and take all that glitter that fell, I'm gonna take it away. I've already washed, moisturized, and I primed my face. I forgot, and I used like my regular Maybelline primer. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop foundation stick. I've never tried this, so we're gonna try it today. Okay, so that's the coverage that I got with that ColourPop foundation. It is not bad coverage, but I am going to go in with a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. This is just my favorite, and since we went so heavy on the eyes and like did glitter and stuff, I kind of want a more full coverage foundation, so I'm just going to go over that a little bit with this. Now that we're done with the foundation, I'm going to go back in with that ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to put that right underneath my eye. I go in with this light powder again, and I'm going to put that right underneath my eye. Now I'm going to take that light powder and I'm going to just put that all over my face to set all of that foundation. Also, just to let you guys know, this pimple is being very obnoxious, and so it's not going away no matter what I do. So just ignore that. I'm going to take this bronzer shade right here, and I'm going to take that on this, my disgusting little bronzer brush. This shade right here, it's a blush, and I'm just gonna put that right on my cheekbones. And I'm just gonna take this brush and just diffuse that blush a little bit. And I'm gonna take this highlighter shade, And I'm going to just put a little highlighter on. And I'm also gonna put that highlighter on the tip of my nose and also on my cupid's bow. And now we're gonna go back into the eyes, and I'm gonna take this little brush. I'm gonna take this shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that right underneath my lash line. Now I'm gonna go into that really dark shade, Feel Free, and I'm just gonna smudge that on my lower lash line as well. And I'm also, since it kind of got lost with the foundation and stuff, I'm gonna take Feel Free again and just put that on my outer corner just to deepen that back up because it kind of got lost with everything. Blend that out with that fluffy brush again. I'm gonna take a little bit of ColourPop liquid liner. They make like really fun colors. They make like pink and blue and a lot of cool different colors, but I just got the regular black because that's just what I use on a regular day. And I'm just gonna do a small little line right there just because I feel like my lash line needs a little something. I'm gonna take this ColourPop mascara. I almost forgot to do my eyebrows. I was wondering what was looking so weird about my face. It's my eyebrows. ColourPop does make brow products, but I forgot to get one. I'm gonna go in with the Total Temptation by Maybelline. It's an affordable option just like the ColourPop one would be. Going to go ahead and line my lips with this Lippy pencil by ColourPop. It's in the shade 951. Now that I kind of line my lips out, I'm going to take the shade 951 in the Satin Lip formula, which is Satin Lip formula is my favorite by ColourPop. I highly recommend them. I'm just going to go all over my lips with this. I'm gonna take a little bit of Moonchild. It's from the Kathleen Lights collection, and I'm just gonna add a little gloss. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed making this video. I do have in the description box below, my hair looks crazy, let's not even talk about that. In the description box below, I do have a link that you can use to go purchase your ColourPop products. It costs nothing to use my link. All you do is click the link and shop like normal on there, and I do make a small percentage off of you buying something, so I would really appreciate it if you did buy anything. If you could, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Really appreciate it. I'm trying to hit my goal of 200 subscribers. Thank y'all so much for supporting me, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.